Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to perform a complete backtest of Motive AI using real market data. Okay, we will analyze the market of the 19th of March 2026 step by step and see how Motive AI behaved throughout the session. Okay, so now we will understand how motive signals were performed and see how trades could have been taken on the basis of those signals. Okay, so let's begin the backtesting and see how the market moved on that day. All right, so here in the historical we have to select the date. Right, now let's load the data in the split screen using the historical feature. Here we have to select historical OC table and submit. Here we have to select historical candle chart. All right, okay, so from here we will move forward minute by minute. So we will start from 9:30 a.m. Okay, so our goal is to understand where and how trade opportunities are forming and how the market is reacting on the AI levels in the real market. Okay, so now let's move forward and observe where the motive AI levels align with the market price, whether it is forming a bullish trade or a bearish opportunity, right? So before taking any trade, the first step is to observe the motive, okay? Motive for at least 3 minutes, all right? So we need to confirm that if motive signals appears on one side, it is stable and consistent, okay, and not just a temporary signal that appears for a few seconds and then disappears. Okay, so instead of reacting immediately, we will watch how the motive behaves for few minutes and only then decide whether it is reliable enough to consider a trade. Okay, so this will helps us to avoid the false signals and improves our entries. Okay, to keep the chart clean, you have to disable all the unnecessary lines such as show SR levels, show average levels, show strike levels. Only you have to active motive AI level. Okay, this will help us to focus clearly on the AI based structure without any distractions, making it easier to observe how the market is reacting on these motive levels. Okay, now as we move forward and reach around 9:40 a.m. here, okay, we can observe that there is no stability in motive AI signals. These signals are continuously changing, which indicates that the market structure is not yet clear. In such situations, we should avoid taking any trades. As discussed earlier, we only considered a signal when it remains stable for at least 3 minutes. So until we see that stability in the motive, we simply wait and observe rather than entering the market prematurely. Alright. So now as we move ahead and reach around 9:45 a.m. Alright. Okay. Here we can observe the left right indicator on the call side, it is showing high. Okay, and while on the put side nothing is displayed. This means that bottom is not yet defined and the market does not have any clear support level at this point. So when we observe this for 2 to 3 minutes, we can see that this structure remains stable and does not change, which makes the signal more reliable. Okay, so this indicates a bearish market condition. If you want, you can also confirm this using motive AI scenario chart here in the notification panel. Okay, see here, high but motive no level means no bottom. Market has not yet decided its bottom. So this indicates that market is in bearish condition. All right. So this setup clearly suggests that the market is under strong bearish pressure. From this point, we can consider that taking a bearish trade, taking a bearish trade around the level of 23 to 78, expecting the market move downward. Okay, so 23, now the level is 23 to 76. So this is the expected level of the market for taking the downward trade. Okay, once the trade is taken from this level, we will hold the position, monitor the structure. We will either wait for the target or to be achieved, or if we observe any change in the motive structure, we will modify or exit the trade accordingly. The key idea is the trade accordingly align with the motive AI signals and adapt the trade based on how the market evolves. Now let's observe what happens next. Okay, see, we had taken the bearish trade from the level 76 or 78 around. Okay, all right. So now here you will see the motive is in call side and the low in the put side. This indicates means the market is in bullish, but you have to watch and observe this up to 3 minutes. Okay, see again the motive is showing you the bearish. All right, that was a false motive. As we can see, as we can see around 9:58 a.m. we can see that the call side was continuously showing high, indicating a bearish structure. Okay, so but after this point, as the market starts moving downward, we begin to notice a change in the bottom, a change in the situation. Okay, so see now here the motive appears on the call side and the low level on the put side. Okay, at this stage, as we move forward, so at this stage we will also check the PE minus CE diversion to confirm whether the motive is still in our favor. All right, here. Okay, for this we analyze the for this we analyze the 23,200 graph. Okay, so try to ensure that there is no bullish buildup forming the lower side. Okay. However, as we reach to the time 10 a.m., okay, it becomes clear that motive has changed. Okay, see, from past 3 minutes, motive was showing in the call side. That means the market is in bullish condition. Okay, so here you have to observe for the 3 minutes. All right, and you can also click here and you also get the confirmation from here. Okay, so market is showing that motive is now bullish. Okay, so at this point, instead of holding a bearish trade, we will exit the position with a small profit. All right, so and after that we will wait for the next trade opportunity based on the update motive structure. So that is for today's backtesting session. In this video, we saw how Motive AI behaves in real market conditions. Okay, and how we can take trades based on these signals by observing structure changes, like okay, over the time. The key takeaway is to wait for confirmation and observe a few minutes and then take decision before based on the suitable signals rather than reacting instantly. Okay, you don't have to react instantly and you don't have to see like that motive is seeing in the call side, that means the market is in bullish, or put side that means market in the bearish condition, and you will say that on the next minute the market has changed its motive. No, you have to observe it for the 3 minutes, and here it will also get update that what is the motive shifting currently right now. You can observe it from here also if you don't want to wait for the 3 minutes. Okay, so we will continue with more such practical examples in the upcoming videos. Till then, keep practicing and avoid over trading and focus on improving your analysis. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other traders. So see you in the next video. Thank you.